Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete account in Grand Capital Forex Broker. First we will create account in this broker. After we make a trading account and then we connect trading account with MT5. So at the end of this video you will be ready to trade in a real market. So let's start. First we need to click on the link given in video description. After this, click on registration. This is account opening form. Here you need to write your first name, last name, write your phone number, here you need to write your email address, I am over 18-year-old. I am not a robot, and click registration. So guys, we have successfully registered our account in Grand Capital Broker. Close this window. So here your next step is to verify your account. This broker provides a lot of cashbacks and rewards. If you trade in this broker, you can also invest in this broker. So guys, click uploaded. Here first you need to click on personal information. Here you need to provide some more information: state, province, your country, city and address. After, click on documents, write your first name, last name, birthday, documents number, issue date, issuing country, and here you need to upload file and click upload documents. After this, go to trading, click on open a trading account. So these are some accounts types: real standard, ECN prime account, account for experienced trader, MT5 perfect account for algorithmic trading in MT5. So I am going to open MT5 account. Click on open an account. Select leverage and agree to terms and condition and click create. Congratulations, you have just opened the MT5 account. Please save the password in a secure place. Account details were sent to you by email. So to connect trading account we need three things: first, account login number; second, password; and third, server name. Now open MT5, go to file option, click on open an account. Here you need to search your broker, Grand Capital. Click find your company. Select this, click next. Select connect with an existing trade account. Here you need to paste your login number. This is your login number. Open MT5, paste here. Here you need to paste your password. Copy your password. Open MT5 and paste here. Here you need to select your server. This is our server, Grand Capital Real. Open MT5. select Grand Capital Real and click Finish. So in this way you can connect your trading account with MT5. Now you are ready to trade in real market. Just go to deposit. So these are a lot of methods to deposit in this broker. You can also deposit using Bitcoin method, bank transfer, perfect money, fast pay, Ethereum. So guys, that's it. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.